Hi guys, I am presenting today a new robot vacuum from the Chinese manufacturer iLife, the V5S PRO. This model comes to replace the older V5S. I found inside the box a user manual, 2 HPA filters, a bin for mopping, the robot itself, the charging dock, a mop cloth, 2 extra side brushes, a cleaning brush, a remote control with batteries, an adapter and a mop tray. The dustbin is easily accessible from the top of the robot. This part hosts the 2-layer filter system. As you can see, getting the filters out of the bin and putting them back in is a breeze. As soon as we turn the robot upside down, we may notice the 2 soft rubber wheels, the small air intake, 2 side brushes and 3 clip sensors located on the edge of the machine. iLife V5S Pro also features a large front bumper and the on-off button is ergonomically located on its side. The novelty of the V5S Pro versus the V5S is that it has a control mopping feature, meaning that it better drip feeds the water. To get the robot in the mopping mode, all you need to do is to attach the mop tray on its back. Then, remove the dust collector and replace it with the mop bin. The robot navigates smoothly, even in a highly cluttered environment. The proximity sensors work well and protect both your furniture and the product itself. The charging mechanism is dependable. The robot reaches the charging bay with ease, even if it's more than 10 feet away. emptying the dust collector is trivial. Here's what the robot vacuumed after the trials. The cliff sensors work well and prevent the iLife from falling down the stairs. Thanks for watching. Visit vacuumsguide.com for more tips and tricks on the iLife V5S Pro as well as many other robot vacuums.